Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies vegan. It's simpler than you might think to transform your favorite cookie recipes into delicious plant-based treats. We'll explore easy swaps for common animal-derived ingredients like eggs and dairy, ensuring your cookies are just as delightful and satisfying. Get ready to bake some amazing vegan cookies with confidence and ease, using readily available ingredients and straightforward techniques. Eggs play a crucial role in binding ingredients and adding moisture to cookies. Luckily, there are several fantastic vegan alternatives. A popular choice is the flax egg, created by mixing 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed with 3 tablespoons of water, letting it sit for 5 minutes until gel-like. You can also use about 1/4 cup of mashed ripe banana or unsweetened applesauce per egg, which adds a subtle flavor and excellent moisture to your cookies. Replacing dairy butter and milk is incredibly straightforward in vegan cookie recipes. You can find excellent vegan butter sticks or margarine that substitute dairy butter at a 1-to-1 ratio, ensuring your cookies retain their rich flavor and texture. For milk, simply swap in unsweetened plant-based options such as almond, soy, or oat milk. These alternatives perform beautifully, contributing to a moist and delicious final product without any animal products. When it comes to sweeteners, be mindful that some white sugars are processed using bone char, making them not vegan. Opt for organic cane sugar or beet sugar, which are generally vegan-friendly. A key tip for successful vegan baking is to always measure your ingredients precisely. This ensures the right balance and texture. Don't be afraid to experiment with various flavor extracts like vanilla or almond and spices such as cinnamon to create your unique and delicious vegan cookie masterpieces.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.